The feedback's just been posted for your podcast, and there was just a couple things on the rubric that I want you to be aware of. Uh, for the reflection that you're going to submit, there is a mark for media, and there's also a mark for oral communication. So when you're writing your reflection, make sure you clearly indicate what you're focusing on for the media portion of your assignment, and then start a new paragraph where you're going to discuss the oral communication part. Okay, so I need to be able to see both of those. If I don't see both and I only see one, you're going to end up with a level R for one of those categories. So just be really careful with your reflection when you submit that. For the seminars tomorrow, so in the morning, I'll post a link and you just have to join at the time that you've signed up for. There are a few things that I'm going to be looking for. So you need to clearly indicate to me which of those two essays that are from the content pages that you focused on. Okay, so there's the two essays listed just before this assignment. You're supposed to read one, and you're supposed to add those to your to the notes on the literary organizer that was on the content page as well. So you're going to go through all of the notes on your literary organizer with the class, and then you're going to go over how the that essay in particular worked with your sort of initial ideas that came from reading the selection from Hamlet, and anything new that came from the reading of the essay as well. At the end of each person who presents, there's this part here on the rubric that talks about listening to understand. So I'm going to be expecting students to be asking each other questions. And so I'll be keeping track of that while the seminar is going on. The other thing that you're going to be marked on is your oral communication. And so, again, I need to be able to see you tomorrow. It's not just the fact that you're going to be talking, but I do need to be able to see that it is you doing the actual presentation. So make sure your cameras are working tomorrow as well. And then after all the seminars are done, you're going to submit that reflection to the Dropbox. Okay, and so you're going to get 3 oral communication levels on this assignment as well. So those are just things I wanted you to be aware of for today and also for tomorrow. And again, remember to log in at the time that you signed up, and I'll have the link posted in the news first thing in the morning.